Hi, little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color a cute chocolate bar. Are you excited? Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's start drawing with our black marker. We'll begin by drawing the chocolate packet. Draw a rectangle with wavy edges on the top and bottom. Great job! Wow! Now, let's give our chocolate packet some personality by drawing cute eyes and a smiling mouth. So cute! Now, let's draw a big heart shape on top of the packet. Wonderful! To make it even more fun, let's draw some small hearts around the packet. And some on the packet too. Our drawing is complete. Look at our adorable chocolate bar. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Look at how nicely our chocolate bar is dancing. Now it's time to color. We'll use different colors to make our chocolate bar vibrant. Let's start with pink color. Yellow color. Light pink color. Purple color. Light purple color. Whoa! Our chocolate bar looks so colorful and fun. Great job, everyone! Look at our beautifully colored chocolate bar. Keep practicing and being creative. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.